is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Morning guys, it's Saturday the 12th?
Yes.
Yep, 12th. This year's gone so fast. I'm in the study area because it's pretty. Look at me. I'm very me. This is fantastic. I haven't dressed like myself in many years because as I grew out of all my more hippified clothes, it got replaced with things people just gave me from family because I never got around to buying a wardrobe for myself because I got depressed with the weight I was putting on, so I ended up wearing normal looking clothes for many years, but now I have a lot of more me clothes, and this is what I normally really look like. Years ago, this is how I used to dress. Normally I'd have bright coloured hair too, but I'd be very hippified or gypsy, Roma, whatever you want to call it, that sort of thing, boho. That was how I dressed, and hopefully now I can dress more like that again thanks to Jan. I love this top, it's so awesome. Duncan likes it, he likes to see me back in the clothes I used to dress in instead of the plain boring stuff I've been in, so that's good, isn't it baby?
Yep.
So I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do today, but we are going to get out of the house, but all cameras are currently on charge because Duncan said he'd come down and put them on several hours ago. I've just come downstairs and he hasn't put them on because he's a man and he forgot.
It's half hour at most.
It's not half hour at most, look at the time. Took me at least half hour to get dressed because I had to find the right laundry, so I know it took longer than that. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go and I will check in with you later and you can find out where I've gone, or if you're coming with me, where we are. See you later, bye. Hi guys, so we've popped out, but we come back for lunch and then we're gonna go back out again. Sorry, just got to rest my arm down there. We popped out to the range. We got some puzzles, so we went in and got some new dinner trays because we needed some more, and we bought some of that non-slip stuff you put on the trays. We actually bought one big roll for $5.99, and I cut that up, and that's covered all 6 trays and 2 spare, so that was a bargain. Instead of paying £1 each for the smaller ones, these were much thicker, non-sticky stuff, non-slip stuff rather, and it just could be much more efficient. Yeah, I was able to chop it in half down the width and then chop it in half and then in half again to get it to fit the trays, so it's perfect size. So I thought I'd show you the puzzles I got. I'm planning on doing a lot more puzzles, jigsaw puzzles and other types of puzzles on my channel come next year when I'm not studying, because I do like my puzzles, but I often just sit and relax and do them instead of filming. So I will be filming them more. But so I've actually bought some new jigsaw puzzles to film, because a lot of the jigsaw puzzles I have, they're quite dark and they won't really work well on camera to film for you guys, so I've got some that are not so dark. So the first one I got, this one looks so much fun. I can't actually see you guys, so I'm hoping I have it in camera. Is it in camera? I have no idea. Anyway, it's Mario Kart one. It's 1,000 piece. All of these ones are 1,000 piece puzzles. But it looks fun. Can you see it? There's a smaller picture on the back. I can show that. Still got plastic on, so it's a bit thin. But that looks like a fun one. And then, because I'm a big kid, another one is Animal Crossing. Again, it's on the back, so I can hopefully show you it. You see that? I don't know, can you see it? They will be shown out of their plastic on camera when I actually do them, so you'll get a better look at them then. But that one looks cool. It's Animal Crossing's New Horizons. And then we've got this fun one. It's a cityscape one, but it's quite fun. It's called Funny Cities. This one's New York. It has cats on it. Can you see that? No idea. But they do a bunch of different ones. But it looks fun. Anyway, I don't know. I'll show you the one that's some of the ones that you can do. Did you see them? No idea. I really should have just put this on a tripod so I could see what I'm doing, but I didn't be bothered to set up the tripod when we're going out again soon, so I just am holding it. And then the last one I got is Stranger Things. It's like badges, little button pin badges, but for Stranger Things. Hopefully you can see some of that. So yeah, I will show them all properly. I'll probably get photos of them and put them up onto Instagram and that, so you can see them better. But they're going to be fun ones to do, so I'm looking forward to doing them. I'm hoping to get started on them soon, because touchwood, my TMA is basically done now. It needs reading through by Duncan, because he always reads through, checks for any glaring mistakes of grammar and things. And then I need to play with it a little bit more, because I'm still a little short on the word count. I need about 80 more words, and then that should be 2,000 words done, and it can go off. So once that's off, other than doing my normal study, I'll have a little more free time. So I'm going to start filming, doing some puzzles and have some fun. Yeah, so that's about it really. So we're going to get some food in a minute, and then we're going to head off to the beach, providing it's not too busy. The beaches around here, well, they're not really around here. I have to travel a little bit for them. But there's an app that the councils have created that basically traffic lights the beaches, and they are currently green, which means that they're not very busy and it should be safe to go. Because they traffic light them. Green is good, yellow, amber obviously is be careful, it's probably getting a little crowded, and red is don't come because there's too many people. So it's really handy, and as it's green it should be safe for us to go to the beach and not be too crowded by people. Which is, I like that, going to the beach in winter, because it's usually quiet, so it's going to be quite good. Because I just like going to look at the waves and the sand and have a nice little walk and all that sort of stuff. I don't tend to play in the water or anything. So it's going to be a nice little walk out anyway. So yeah, we're going to do that. I keep meaning to say, please do pop over to my Instagram and my Facebook and my TikTok. I do have a Pinterest, but I barely use it. Just come on over, say hi, give me a follow and a like and things, because I have a lot more people on my YouTube than I have on the rest of my social media, so it'd be nice if some of you came on over, and then I could chat with you better and you could share what you're making easier. I have a Facebook group where you're welcome to share any of your crafts and your own businesses and pages and things, all support each other in these trying times. And then Instagram, obviously we can use hashtags to find each other, or just give me a follow and I tend to follow back, so we can follow each other and see what you're doing on there. My Facebook page is Sonia Jones Crafts YouTube group, I think. I never remember. The problem is I changed the names when I changed my YouTube name years ago. I changed my group name and I never remember what it is now. Sonia Jones Arts and Crafts Group. There we go. Don't show you a picture of it because it shows who else is members, and obviously I don't want to go out showing other people's profiles without permission. But yeah, so Facebook is Sonia Jones Arts and Crafts Group. So do come along. Make sure you answer the questions, because I won't add you if you don't answer the questions, because we get the odd spam person and I don't want any spammers. And And then Instagram, I'm on there as Alicorn Gifts. So do come along there. That's ALICORNGIFTS. That I can probably show you. Because that one won't show other people's profiles. So didn't want to click on a picture. What's it doing? Anything? Alicorn Gifts. It's my logo, so you should be able to recognise it. It's actually that logo. See what time of the day it is now. So yeah, do come over there and say hi. But I'm going to go because I think I've rambled for like 8 minutes now. This might end up being a long one. So I will see you all later. You all take care. Bye. Hey all. So I came to the beach. Isn't it pretty? I'll turn the camera around in a minute so you can have a look. Hi guys, so we're back home. Had a lovely walk along the beach, stopped for a hot chocolate, which was very yummy. I'm very tired, very worn out, hurting quite a lot. The walk took a little more out of me than I expected, but my head feels so much better. This is the best it's felt in months. That fresh air really helped getting that good fresh sea air. It was a lot busier than we expected. It was green bar on that app, and yes, there wasn't a lot of people sat down on the beach. It wasn't crowded, but there was a lot of people taking walks on the beach, so there was some people who obviously don't care about the 2 metre distance, and we had to kind of squish up against things to try to avoid people who just wouldn't get out of the way. But it was still a really nice walk. I really enjoyed it. I missed going to the beach. It's been several months now. Was it September? I think was the last time I went. I can't remember. And I do like to go to the beach because it just revives me so much. So I'm really glad that we went today. But tomorrow's probably going to be a more relaxing, easy day. So I'm going to end the vlog here. It is 5:46 in the evening, so it's not particularly late, but I'm worn out, I'm ready for bed, so I'm going to finish off this, have some food and just relax for the evening. So I will see you all tomorrow, hopefully. You all take care. Bye. If I can turn off this, that is.